Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about a new problem. So if you are facing this type of problem in your Samsung TV, then how you can fix this problem I will tell you in this video. Here you can see lots of people facing this type of problem in Samsung TV. Terms and condition privacy policy, the server is under maintenance, please try again later. If you are facing this types of same problem in your Samsung TV, then how you can fix this problem and why you are facing this type of problem in your Samsung TV, I will tell you in this video. So please watch this video until the end, and please do like and subscribe my channel. So lots of people today facing this type of problem, terms and condition privacy policy. So if you are facing same problem in your Samsung TV, then how you can fix this problem and why you are facing this type of problem, I will tell you in this video. So first of all, you can see I opened Down Detector website. Here you can see all server data of any platform. So here you can see Samsung and Smart Hub server is already down. Now I click on Samsung option, then here you can see lots of people today reports of Samsung. Because of today lots of people facing this type of same problem at a same time, so it means this problem is because of server issue. So here you can see lots of people reported, it means lots of people facing same problem, it means server is already down. So if you are facing this type of problem, it means server down. So please wait, this problem is soon automatically, you don't need to do anything because of this problem is occur because of server issue. So just wait and fix this problem as soon as possible. Just wait 1 or 2 hours. Already lots of people reported, you can see here latest comments also come. So this problem is occur because of server issue, so no other option and no other solution have. So just wait and watch, this problem is fixed automatically. Just wait 1 or 2 hours already. Alright, so thank you for watching this video.